Hey guys, so I have this wig available on my website. Woo! She is amazing. Amazing. I just wanted to show you guys how she looked on your head. So pretty. I'm not going to touch these curls too much, but this wig is so beautiful. Let me show you guys the back. She hidden. I know. She cute. She's available on my website for any of those who need a wig. Of course, free installs until the end of the year with all wig purchases. Okay, you guys? Free installs. So freaking cute. It's on my website, qbwigcollections.com. She is available.